Want an easy way to generate more listings and stay top of mind without cold calling? A trusted contractor list can do just that, and most agents don't even realize it. What's up, guys? I'm Elise Palacios, and I help real estate agents and team leaders get from production to legacy through scaling their business. It's my goal to give you at least one actionable step with each video that you can implement into your business today. If you haven't already, click the link below to head on over to our Skool community where you can get access to templates, scripts, and real-world coaching that is applicable to your business to help you reach your income goals. Your contractor list isn't something you should just be handing out to your clients after you've secured a listing. When used the right way, it should be a lead generation and conversion tool to help you get in front of more buyers and sellers before they've even thought about calling an agent. At REinvest, we help our agents build and use these lists to get in front of more sellers during their prep phase, to stay front of mind with past clients, and to turn casual conversations into warm, qualified leads. Let's walk through exactly how you can use your contractor list to do exactly this. Step one is going to be identify the services that buyers and sellers actually need. If someone's going to sell their home, they might need stagers, handymen, painters, cleaners. And buyers, they might need HVAC professionals, floor refinishers, mold remediation, and more. So the first step is going to be to identify what your current contractor list looks like. Do you have all of the people in those categories currently? And do you trust all of them with your client's home and your reputation? If not, let's get to work. Step two, ask for referrals and spark conversations. At REinvest, we have a script that works really well, and I'm happy to share it with you. It goes something like this. I'm constantly giving my clients referrals for contractors as I'm getting ready to list their house. I'm building a trusted contractor list right now. Is there anybody you've had a really wonderful experience working with lately? Drop this into your stories, your local Facebook groups, or even in a text message to your past clients on a mass scale. This isn't just about earning contractor referrals, it's about a value point to reach back out to your past clients, a way to stay in touch, and to add value to your local community. The next step is really important. Step three is going to be vet the recommendations that you receive. Not everybody who's referred to you should be on your contractor list, and it's your job to determine if they're worthy of getting added to it or not. Complete some due diligence. Check online reviews, check their insurance, licensing, give them a call and introduce yourself. Ask if they've worked with sellers or buyers on a timeline before, or perhaps if they're open to creative payment at the time of closing, which could be a great asset for a client in need who doesn't have the cash to spend at the time of repair. Then give them a shot on a smaller job. See how they perform and how they communicate with you. How they interact with you is going to be a direct reflection of how they're going to work with your future clients and reflect your reputation. Step four, build and share your list like a pro. Organize it by trade, location service in a Google Sheet or digital doc. But don't just let it sit there. Update it and email it quarterly, mail out a magnet with an updated QR code, and add new prospects to your CRM when they ask for a referral. This should not just be a resource, this should be a scalable, valuable marketing piece that's going to change the way you do business. Step five, use the list to spark lead generating conversations. And this is the real secret sauce. Don't just send out your list or referral without following up with one of the following. It could be, hey, I've got buyers looking in this specific area. Do you know anyone considering selling? Or, hey, do you know of anybody currently doing renovations? I'd love to be a resource for them if they're considering listing. And now you're getting in front of potential clients before they're on Zillow or reaching out to another agent for more information. Step six, strengthen relationships with Google reviews. If you or your client has a positive experience working with a contractor, go leave them a review. But then follow up and say, hey, I left you a review. I really hope it helps you stand out. I really appreciated your hard work and communication. This tiny gesture builds huge loyalty, and it helps you stay front of mind, and those contractors might refer you to their own clients down the road. And take it a step further. If your client or potential future client has a really great experience working with one of your referrals, ask them to leave you a quick Google review of what their experience working with you was like. They don't have to have bought or sold with you yet, but if they enjoy your expertise and guidance, they can absolutely leave you a review about their experience thus far. If you're ready to turn your contractor list into a lead generating machine, click the link below, head on over to our Skool community for access to our full training on this, where you can follow up with contractors and say things like, hey, my goal is to give you 4 referrals this year. Can you commit to giving me 1 or 2? There's so much more that goes into this where you can really scale it and take it to the next level. And I would love to share that with you and more. This isn't the year to be the nice agent. It's the year to be the most referred agent in your market. Stay tuned for the next video. We post new real estate content weekly, and I'll see you in Skool.